Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from Smokey Mountain Knife Works. I am actually not sure what this is, but the box got destroyed. So, a big hole here, so let's take a look, see what we got. I don't believe I ordered anything from them, so I don't know what this is. Today I'm opening up my box with my Shirogoroff. This is the Quantum Ursus edition. This is a E-Knives exclusive. Alright, what do we got here? We got hats. Up close to hats? Huh, what is all this stuff? Okay, let's see. A little note there. Here's some stickers for extra giveaways. Wow. Wow. Okay. What do we got here? Pocket sharpener from Smokey Mountain Knife Works. Man, oh man. Oh, we got something here we're going to take a look at. Okay. Oh, we got something that might have fallen out and got squished. Looks like probably something here. Well, let's take all this out and take a look. Looks like a whole bunch of really cool stuff here. I wonder if this was the Crispy Donut Community. I was on one of their live streams and I think I won something. I didn't know this is all that it included. Wow, that's a cool hat. I believe that's a Gerber symbol there. And that's the Okasa. Yeah, the Okasa hat. That's really cool. Wow. Might be keeping one of those for sure. We got a morale patch. That's cool. Okay, we got a bunch of Smokey Mountain Knives stickers. Some got a little destroyed, which is a bummer, but we can get those pressed out a little bit. I've never seen half of these. Oh no, my wife's got it. That's got to go to Robin. So there we go. A Sun Cut sticker. I've got some of these. These are cool. Absolutely cool stickers. I like stickers. You know, a lot of them will go in the giveaway unless I don't have them on my wall. Then they might go up there. Baron Sun. That's cool. I don't think I've ever had one of those. Smokey Mountain Knife Works, Bushcraft, that's cool. Okay, I like stickers, and some of these I've never heard of. Hell Norway, okay, there we go. Knife Scars, Smokey Mountain Knife Works. If it cuts, we carry it. Okay, Wee Knives, I like that. Is that, oh, I got to think of who that is. I'm trying to remember. Civivi? What do we got here? Okay, that's the, that is, where is it? I thought I had a sticker here earlier for it. It's not the Baron Sun, is it? No. What is that? That is the... Oh, we're going to have to look back. Oh, yep. It's the Hella Norway. All right, that's what it is. So that's part of the Hella Norway. I wonder if that's the same. That looks familiar. I got to remember that. For the Wooks for the Great Outdoorsman. Very cool. QSP, I love those. Got plenty of those. The Gerber one, very cool. Oh, we got the Vision R. Forget what this one's called. And then we got the Elementum. Smokey Mountain Knife Works little cloth. That's really cool. Ooh, what do we got here? Nightshade. That's cool. I like that. Built to use Spyderco knives and accessories. Spyderco Salt. I didn't get one of those before. Uh-oh. Another alert, another sticker from my wife. She's going to like that. I'm going to put that off to the side. Where's the other one? These will become special wife stickers, right? Oh, that's cool. More Smokey Mountain Knife Works. Oh, look at this. Man. I got a good repertoire of good bunch of stuff, stickers coming back in for giveaways. A lot of Smokey Mountain Knife Works stuff that I've never seen before. I like that. Smokey Mountain Knife Works, Matthew, 28. He is risen. That's definitely a Easter theme there. USA. Oh, that's got to be a Christmas one. But it's a Yeti. She might like that. Another one. Blades are King. This is really cool stickers I've never seen before. If it cuts, we carry it. That's another cool one. We got a Wooks. Don't know what that is, but it's still cool. That's got to be like a Halloween theme. I'll put that over there as well. See if any of those you like. Case, Carve Your Own Path. Oh, is this a couple of stickers? Oh, yeah, it is. Ah, it's folded together. Let's see. What do we got here? All right, so we got 4 stickers. That's cool. All right. And then we have something that got crushed a little bit. We'll try to see if we can save it. This is a keychain sharpener. So what is this? All right. Just kind of curious what this is. A little cool little thing. Does this open up? Oh, it's a little keychain sharpener. So it uses a little diamond, kind of a diamond rod. That's cool. That's pretty stinking cool. All right, that'll be a nice giveaway. I have some of those sharpeners already. Those are cool. Now this is kind of cool. What is this? Promo Lansky. This looks like a is this a Lansky? I'm going to take this off because I don't want to ruin the bit here by the sticker. So I hate to take the sticker off, but I'm going to do that. So this is patent Lansky sharpeners. All right, so this looks like it's a honing rod. That's really cool. I'm going to have to try that out before we do anything with that. We'll see if it becomes part of our stuff. Okay, so then we got another thing here. What is this? Smokey Mountain Knife Works, a nice little cloth. Another cool thing. And then we've got here what, if it cuts, we carry it. This is a deck of cards. Oh, it's got to be a deck of cards. Yeah. I'm assuming it's a deck of cards. Yep. PDS SMK cards. So I don't want to open it and ruin it for somebody, but that's cool. And then what do we have? Oh, what is this? This is kind of a, looks like a magnet maybe? Does this come out? Let me see if it's magnetic. Yep, it's a magnet. So this is a, if it cuts, we carry. It's kind of like a little, I don't know if it's plastic or if it's marble or something like that. Then we have another little pocket sharpener here with 600 grit and ceramic rods. So what is this? Okay, so rods and sharpener. There you go. Wonder, does it tell you what angle it's at? Because it's already like at a predetermined angle, it looks like. Well, we'd have to measure that, but I'm gonna guess it's sometimes it would say on here, right? So the diamond bit is gonna be a coarse, and then the honing rod is gonna be the fine. So that's a nice little cool giveaway thing. I like that. I gotta tell you, this is one of the cooler things. I definitely want to try this. A little sharpening rod. I could use that, so I'm going to keep that off to the side. And then there's a pocket knife in here. Now this looks like it could be a slip joint of some kind. What do we got here? Ooh. We've got Smokey Mountain Knife Works Rep Weekend 2021. So this is a Sheffield. Looks like lockback, kind of reminiscent of a buck a little bit, but or a case knife. Does have the lockback on there. Not quite centered, and there's not much you can do about centering something like that. But it's definitely a cool little giveaway, I think. Now could be polished because that's brass. Definitely a nice little lockback. It's a pocket knife, like a slip joint, right? Which it is, but it's a lockable slip joint. It's not going to give away with this lockback. And it comes with a nice little leather sheath. That's really cool. Very, very cool. All right, so we can take a look at this knife here. Definitely it's going to be, what do we do? Stainless steel, so probably like 440 or 1098 or something like that, I'm going to guess. I mean, you're not looking at the most incredible steel in the world, but I mean, hey, you know, this is a nice little emergency knife you can carry, give someone as a gift maybe. I'm not sure what the Sheffield is. If any of you guys know what the inside information on that is, there's genuine wood there. That's cool. It's a nice little pocket knife, right? Nice little slip joint. I mean, hey, it's free, so that's cool. All right, then we got more patches, a ton of patches. What do we have over here? The Land of the Free. Oh, I do dig that. Because of the Brave, yes, sir. Yes, sir, absolutely. It looks like a whole bunch more gift patches, or a lot more patches. And we got Hella Norway. I'm gonna have to see who they are. They must make axes or something, I'm guessing. Wow, this is a good amount of stickers for the giveaways. Look at that. Oh, look at this. All these weed knives. QSP. Oh, do I have this one? No, I do not. Oh, we got Sasquatch. Oh, wait, is that the one under here? Oh, that is the one under here, so we have that one already. All right. We got more Woodex, more Gerber. We got more Smokey Mountain Knives free stuff over here. That's really, really stinking cool. What do we have in here? We got some more there. Looks like Remember the Alamo? What's that? Remember the Alamo? What is that? Oh, no, that's Darth Vader. Yeah. Oh, that's their Microtech, their special Troodon one. I think it's a special version. Here's some more of those Hella stuff. And then we have these. Are these all the same? They are. That's stinking cool. All right, that's really cool. A lot of nice, I think these are probably all the same. Yep, they're all the same. That's cool. That'll be really great for the giveaways. I'm super excited about that. Very, very stinking cool. I am pretty pumped about that. I think that's going to be pretty exciting. So, yeah, I think this was the Crispy Donut Community giveaway. I was on the channel and I won. And I thought to myself, you know, when it was stickers and stuff like that, I mean, some of the things, I mean, this and the honing rod, I mean, I really dig this. And I got to tell you, I really dig this hat. This one's really cool. I don't know if this is going to be given away. I might keep this one, guys, so sorry. As long as it fits me, I'm going to probably keep this one. This one's too cool to keep. The Gerber one, it's a nice looking hat, nice brown. I love orange though, but that might be a giveaway. At least do one, but I might keep the Ocasa one. So we'll have the knife will be a giveaway. Definitely a lot of stickers. We'll have the cars that'll be part of the giveaway. We'll have this little pocket sharpener. Got this cool magnet. I don't know if I can fit that up on my wall, but I got to keep a couple of these things. We'll have another little sharpener here. This one got crushed, unfortunately. A lot of stickers over here. More patches and stuff. Don't know what that one is. Really don't know. And if it's a super... Now, this one's kind of cool. I just like the way this looks. I think that's going to need to go up on my wall of stickers for sure. So there's definitely a few stickers here I've never had before that I definitely want to put up on my wall of stickers. Very, very, very cool. So that was the giveaway. Oh, the gingerbread man is good for Christmas too. I dig that. I dig that. All right. Very, very cool. So that was, I believe, there's a Crispy Donut Community Friday night giveaway, and I guess I won. So, wow. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. I got to remember, who was it? Here, let me pull out my iPad, because I got to remember who it was that they were the one that donated the giveaway, and I want to make sure I can do a nice shout out. Let's see if I can get my iPad working here, because I'm recording on my phone, obviously. So let's see if I can stall fast enough, or else I'll just clip this part out. All right, yeah, so this was Greg Pressley, and I believe he works at Smokey Mountain Knife Works. I see him there with TC and all those guys, so that's really cool, Greg. So, Greg, man, I appreciate you, man. I really do. He has an Instagram page. I don't know if he's a big guy and having people follow him, but he does have an Instagram page, and I believe the name of his Instagram is let me make sure I get this right, g.p.pressley, Pressley. So if you want to follow him, this is Greg right here. I definitely recommend go give him a follow. But man, that is super, super awesome. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. A lot of this stuff will be giveaway, but there's a few things I'm definitely going to keep, and I'm sure you guys are okay with that. I like the hat a lot. I'm really digging this little sharpening hone. Now this is a Lansky, which is a really nice sharpening hone. I like that a lot. That's going to be kind of cool. I could see that being a really nice, quick honing to strap up things. That's really cool. And he did say, here's some extra stickers for your giveaway for your channel. Thank you, Greg. I so much appreciate that. That is so kind of you. Now this morale sticker, shooting made easy, I guess. Oh, it's a morale sticker. All right. So there you go. That's kind of funny. I like that. That's stinking cool. My wife may get dibs on this one, just so you know. She loves Bigfoot, so I'm definitely gonna keep these in mind for her. She loves these things. All right, very cool. I got to look at a little bit about Hella Norway. I got to find out more about those. I bet they make really cool axes. I just got this feeling like they're going to be stinking cool axes. Now, me being Danish and Norway, you know, it's just, I don't know, that Scandinavian blood rushing through me. We'll definitely have this as a giveaway. This will be a cool little knife. I like the little leather sheath. It's really good shape, hardly ever been used. This looks like in fantastic shape the wood is. Now, it's brass. You can see it's been handled, and that happens with, you know, the natural oils at patinas. If that bothers you, get some brass polish. We can get it nice and clean if you win. But the stickers are awesome. The stickers are really awesome. Thank you, Smokey Mountain Knife Works and Craig. Sure do appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. This is going to be fun stuff for my future giveaways. You know, I would like to include a lot of stuff. Super excited about that. So yeah, thank you. It's always fun to opening up kind of a cool giveaways like this. A lot of neat stickers like that. So hey, what do y'all think? Any thoughts on this one over here? So if you found this content fun, interesting, informative, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to those of you guys who watch the videos, who like the videos, who even subscribe. Man, I sure appreciate every single one of you. I really do. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And to all of my channel members, a big thank you. Those of you who've been here from the beginning, joined along the way, who became members recently, man, I sure appreciate every single one of you. As a small way for me to say thank you, I do like to send out, for the new members, a sticker to you. So email me with your name and address, and I'll mail you a sticker. If you've been a member and you're still a member now, and you haven't emailed me, email me as well with your name and address, and I'd love to send you a sticker as well. And also, once a month, we do a once-a-month members giveaway. It's an exclusive giveaway. I like to make sure it's something really, really nice. And yeah, so that does happen once a month. We're doing a members giveaway, you know, every month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, you know, going forward. I just want you to know that. So that's my small way to say thank you to you guys, because you guys rock, you're amazing, appreciate you. And then finally, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.